Good morning, everyone. Chris here, and I am not on the boat or in the harbor. We are today in Connecticut. Liam is in that building over there. That's the Connecticut Fire Academy. He is doing the final day of his STCW training, which will allow him to get a job doing stuff on yachts, which is what he wants to do. So that is all good, and it is also the first step in him getting his captain's license. That and getting lots of sea time. So I am spending my day in the car, and it's not very exciting or fun, but it is going to be productive. So the other day, I got a new toy. This is an Android tablet that is eInk, so it's going to work great in the sun. And the question that I have is, can I do my whole job from this in uncomfortable situations like being stuck in a car all day? So that's what we're doing today. We're going to see what we can do. I do have my laptop in the trunk, so if I need to, I can pull it out and do jobs or tasks that I can't do on this. But the goal is to try and do everything on this little thing. And it's pretty cool. It's Android, so I've already loaded all the software that I use for my work on here. It's eInk, which is what I was looking for, and I got a cool keyboard for it that I think might be too much for the cafes. So here's the keyboard I bought for it. It's a typewriter style, but since I have learned that every gay man is traumatized by his father, I figure I could go one of two ways, and I'd go the non-traditional way, and go over the top. So every time you type a key, I don't know if you could see that here. Let's get in closer. It does a rainbow explosion of color. But it is loud. So I'm nervous that the keyboard will make too much noise when I'm typing, because I type pretty fast, and it is clickety-clackety. But some of the cafes are noisy. So Liam said, in his red-faced embarrassment, that he thinks that it would be fine in some of the noisier cafes in town. But yeah, I got a fun keyboard. But anyway, I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I got to get a student who's struggling with an incomplete due to a medical thing. I got to get her taken care of, and then I've got to update my book list for one of my programs, because I'm doing the edits of all those classes, so some of the books are changing. And what else am I doing? Working on some course design stuff, reviewing a course that I think is done. I said I would submit it this week, which is like 2 weeks early, which is good. And then, yeah, normal stuff. And then grading. I have to do some grading. I'm really excited if I can grade on this thing. So, yeah. Right now we're just going through some work-related reading. And then it's still early in the Midwest. So when I'm done this, I will open those tickets to help my incomplete student, and then move on to the others. Anyway, so this is my day. Hanging out in a car. And I could go to a cafe. The closest cafe to where we are right now is like 20 minutes away, so it's not a big deal. But I want to leave here and go back to the boat the single second Liam is done. And I'm hoping he's done by lunch. Fingers crossed. I don't remember how long the fire portion of the training is. And I only had his start time on my paperwork, so he knows it. And I should have texted him and asked, but whatever. Anyway, we're chilling. I'm going to get back to work. Hope everyone is having a productive day, and hopefully leveraging whatever flexibility you have to work in a more pleasant environment than this is. But still, being able to be flexible is always awesome. Anyway, I will chat with you later. Bye.